Thank you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is always Fred Moa. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. And without wasting our time, let's get into a tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you about transponse. What is transponse? Let's start. And remember we are playing our piano on F sharp on black notes. So we are playing our piano on black notes. So transpose is defined as shifting between different notes or different keys. You move from this key to the next. There is what called the positive transpose. So if we can count our transpose from F sharp, this note going upward, that is what we call positive transpose. And if you are going down, we call it negative transpose. If you are going this way from this note, and this will apply to each note. If you are on this note, let me say the second one, downwards we go negative, upwards we go positive until you reach the key that you want to play with. And then the next, positive, negative, positive, negative. You just have to understand that going up is positive, going down is negative. So if you are playing our song on this, so I'll teach you using this song. Bwana awabariki. To go to this key of F, downward we go -1. This is what from here, this is what we call -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 until you reach to infinity. And then we go like from here we go +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6, +7. So if you are the choir singing at a key, let me say like a key of A, and you are playing your song on this, you have to understand there, if you are playing your piano on this black note, on this F, if you want the choir singing at a key of A, E major, so you have to count from this, from F sharp you count 2 negatives, 1, 2, and then you got the key. And if they are singing on A major, you have to go +1, +2, +3. You don't count this note, the first note, the note that you are playing in, you don't count it, but you start from the next note, 1, 2, and this 1, 2, 3. So let's try like here how the song will sound if we transpose the piano. So we go to -1, 2. Let's say that the choir was playing at a key of E major, so we just -2. Let's first play on F sharp, then I go -2, and you'll hear the difference. And if we go to -2, come to 0. 0 sound like this, transpose of 0. We have not transposed our piano. Bwana awabariki. And if we go -2, Bwana awabariki. You hear the difference? The first one, Bwana awabariki. And then the next, Bwana awambariki. And if we go up to A major, we go 1 2 3. So our transpose is positive 3. So we go to positive 3. Bwana awabariki, Bwana awabariki. If we go back to 0, Bwana awabariki. Negative 2, Bwana awabariki, Bwana awabariki. Back to 0, Bwana awabariki, Bwana awabariki. Positive 3, Bwana awabariki, awabariki. And this applies to every note. If we go positive 1, so let's hear. Bwana awabariki. Then positive 1, Bwana awabariki. Then we go 0. Negative 1. Let's talk about the transpose. Transpose is used to make the work easier, because you can't be playing if there was no transpose, like the big organs in Catholic Church. If there is no transpose, you have to play each key individually. You have to play. If you are playing on C, if you are playing on D, so you have to play, and you see there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 notes. You have to play the 12 notes individually. You see, that is a lot of work, but the transpose is used to make work easier, so that you can play in one scale, but you are using the scale but shifting just between the keys. You just shift, you go upwards or you go downward. I know now you understand about the transpose, and if you have any other question, you can ask there, and I will just make another video to explain further about the transpose. There's a lot about the transpose, because you have to know how to detect any key. You have to detect the key by how the singer is singing or the choir is singing. You have to detect by just detecting like this. You can know which note, and then you can know which number you are going to use of transpose. And I will be showing you how to detect on the next lesson, but this was just an introduction to the transpose. I hope this video was helpful. Just share it, subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and every time if you have any question about anything, my number is always at the description of my YouTube channel. And if you would like to support me with anything, just my number is there. You can support using PayPal. And thank you guys for your continued support. Thank you guys, and let's meet on the other lesson that I will be talking about the tempo.